So my suggestion is that in this way I do practice, also you can do. If I can, also you can too. So please do subscribe the channel, like this video. And hey guys, welcome back once again in this video. Now actually it is the evening time, so if you want to boost your language, then in this video I'm going to share some tips and tricks. Believe me, this video is particularly for you. This video is gonna special for you. Boosting English language is not easy, but also easy too. It's depend on you. So this video actually related to that. So actually what I mean to say that people will judge you easily, because judging someone is easy, and the condescending behavior of some people is actually so egregious. And what I mean to say in this way, that don't listen everyone, avoid some toxic people, also try to practice everywhere. Like, just think the situation that as I am working for a private school as a teacher, and now I have come here to just kill the time in our garden area. Particularly these gardens are not owned by us, and you can see that I have come here by bike. It is my bike actually. So do practice, speak daily, speak with yourself, try to surround yourself with English. So what I mean to say, whenever you will speak, whenever you will think, wherever you will go, try to handle everything, try to think everything, try to speak anyone at least a broken English. Because like a drop of water, a drop of rain can make an ocean. If you don't have any partner, then you can try to speak with the camera of your phone. Use this camera as a partner of you. Just try to shoot videos. It doesn't matter that you have a YouTube channel or not. As I have my YouTube channel, what I do, I try to shoot videos and I try to upload those videos on my channel. If you don't have any YouTube channel, that already I have suggested many times that must create a YouTube channel and shoot videos, and you can upload those videos on your YouTube channel on any social media. It doesn't matter that people will watch your video or not. So what will happen in this way? You can improve your English very easily. Trust me. At the initial level, even I didn't have any partner. I used to practice like this. Even I am used to practice in this way. And after listening my words, that if you want to create a YouTube channel, my suggestion is must create a YouTube channel. So if you want to create a YouTube channel, then don't come on YouTube to earn money. Just try to come on YouTube to learn something, to teach something. Money doesn't matter. Money is actually a hand dust. Money will come, money will go. But the achievement that you will achieve, that you want to achieve, is not temporary. It will stay in this world until you will die. Here I want to share one more example, that just look at the scene where everywhere is only gardens, tea gardens. You can see the view of this place, and this place is so calm. Calmness is the essential part of this place. Although I rarely come here, but today I just got the time to kill my time, and that is why I am here, just to shoot a video. Also, what you can do, you can take any object like this place. Okay, just take an suggestion that this place, try to explain everything about this place. For example, these are the tea gardens, and just behind of me a bus is going somewhere on the road, and the sun is already disappeared due to the cloudy weather. Birds are chirping just under the sky, the trees. I'm totally alone here, and just behind of me it is my bike only. No one is here. So actually, just focus on your goal. You can start even with broken English. Don't think that people will judge you, because good people will try to realize you and the bad people will always judge you. Judging someone is very easy. Do you know, guys, that what is the best method? The best method is only to talk to yourself like this way. Just few minutes ago, I used two words. One is condescending and another is egregious. So try to learn some new words, some new vocabulary, some new celebrity words, so you can apply those words in your English, by which you can enhance your English very easily. So you can watch podcast also, but I rarely watch podcast. You can watch interviews of celebrities. You can follow some YouTube channel like my channel. You can follow easily. One more thing, please do subscribe the channel, like this video, and drop a comment in which topic next time you want me to shoot a video, and share this video with your friends and family too. So it would be better if you can apply some idioms, some phrases, some celebrity words in your English to enhance your English. So my suggestion is that in this way I do practice. Also you can do, if I can, also you can too. So please do subscribe the channel, like this video, and I'll meet you soon on my next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Jai Hind. Bye bye.